Ko guys, lalabas ako kasi biglang tumawag si Kimud.
Welcome to Melvin and Angie's vlog!
Aywa! So guys, bababa ako, lalabas ako kasi tumawag si Kimud. Pinapababa ako, parating daw siya. Since ako lang naman mag-isa, wala si Paula, so babain ko na lang siya, kakain yun. Pag ganyan, gustong kumain yun, magsa-chow. Pag ganyan, gusto yan makikikain. Kikain, i-treat ko na lang siya. See you in a while guys. Ako na, bakos maot. Please don't forget to watch, subscribe, like, and share our channel. Melvin and Angie Vlogs. Ayan o. Bumalik ako guys. Wait. Bumalik ako guys kasi may nakalimutan ako. Magdala ako ng grocery bag kasi bibili ako ng ayan. Dalhin ko. Kalat lang yung kalat. Arrange naman yung gabi ni Paula dyan. Pantry. 7 o'clock na ng gabi. Sarado na. 7 o'clock na ng gabi, sarado na sa fast food. Kaya, bababa kami nito. Kaalis lang nung kabababa ng kabubukas ng elevator. Pabutan ko pa sana, kaya lang video pa ako dun. Kailang yan. Ayan yung building pala na makikita ko sa likod sa bahay ng ate. That building with the red in the middle. I said yes.
You look like before.
This is in northbound, no? This street here.
Oh, we're going back south. This young and
You're going, yeah, we're going, yeah, facing to south.
Yeah, man.
But in the street here, it's north, right? There it's, I don't pa pala si may saray si IBC. East and then opposite is the west.
Yeah.
See? I knew it.
Okay. Go ahead. Go inside.
Ayoko.
You don't have your size?
Even if I don't want to buy. Shein lang ako nagbibili. Shein anak. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. See you next video. Bye.